Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Gillian Berry and this is my first annual Gillian's Favorite Things huge Christmas video giveaway. I am so pumped about this video. I want to thank each and every one of you for being here, for watching the channel, for supporting, subscribing, liking, commenting, everything. I think you guys are amazing and I wouldn't be here without you guys. The bigger the channel gets, the bigger the giveaways get. So make sure you subscribe if you don't already, and let's get into some of these amazing prizes. Before we get into it, I have to let you guys know these are vegan leather pants, just so everybody knows. I wanted to have on the author of the Blue Zones because I just think it's a pretty powerful diet. Even though I'm raw vegan, there is a lot to the Blue Zones diet. So I reached out to them. They weren't able to do the interview right now because they're so busy, but they did send me one of these books. And then they actually sent me another book by mistake. So I was gonna post this and give it away in the community section of my channel, but then I thought it just inspired me to do a big Christmas giveaway. So I reached out to many of my favorite creators, influencers, and companies to see if they wanted to be a part of this and give back with some things, and they all graciously said yes. So I have some really wicked and bomb prizes for you guys. They are amazing and incredible. Again, make sure to subscribe if you don't already, because like I said, the bigger this channel gets, the bigger the gifts we'll get. I love to give back. We might be giving away cars next year. Who knows, right, guys? So subscribe and let's get right into it. In order to enter, and I'll put everything down below as well, you will want to watch this video in full. You will want to comment down below what you want the most and why you want it and how it will change your life. And for bonus points, go follow me on Instagram and tag something in your story and come back and let me know in the comments down below that you have done so as well. And also make sure you subscribe to this channel as well to enter and give this video a big thumbs up. Let's start with our first giveaway, and I'm going to let you guys know that one person is going to win the entire package. So it's an amazing package, and I have to calculate the whole total, but it's worth over, when I calculated last, it was worth over 1,500 US. So it's pretty epic, pretty amazing, and one lucky person is gonna be taking everything home. I'm sorry I'm not splitting it up amongst a bunch of people, but I just don't wanna screw up, and it's just, this is easier, and I just think it's amazing to give it away to one person. We have a Nama juicer, you guys, drum roll, music, this is freaking amazing, a Nama juicer. This is the beautiful box it will come in, and you will get to choose. It will be sent to you directly from Nama. They are amazing. They have gifted this to you. So big shout out to Nama. And this is my favorite juicer on earth. So I will put the link down below if you're interested in buying one or buying one for somebody for Christmas, and you can save $55 with my link, and the support goes back to this channel as well. So the Nama is amazing. You will have your choice between matte white or matte black. I have the white, and it is just the best juicer on the freaking planet. The juice is smoother, you get more juice out of your produce, and you have way less pulp. It's such a clean juicer, and I love it because you just load everything in and it does the work for you. So the Nama is incredible. Huge shout out to Nama, my favorite juicing company, and I can't wait to give this away to somebody. Let's start with some of the books. So the lucky prize winner is also gonna get a copy of the Blue Zones cookbook. The lucky winner is also gonna get a copy of my children's book, which I wrote a few years ago. It's Princess Papaya's ABCs of Happy Foods, and it teaches kids how happy they feel when they eat more living fruits like jackfruit, avocados, papayas, and things like that. It is amazing for kids, and I love it, so I'm happy to gift that away. And then next, we have the incredible Mimi Kirk. Her video is the top video on my YouTube channel. She is in her 80s, and she has spent a long time raw vegan, and she has been vegan for, I think, 50 years. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure it's around 50 years. She said she would happily give back the Live Raw book. This book is amazing, you guys, so I will link it down below as well if you're interested in that, and everything I will link below. Mimi has so graciously offered to send it directly from her, and she is going to do a personalized signed autograph copy for you. So there we go with that, and go follow Mimi and check out her interview. This book changed my life. So again, I reached out to everybody and things that I personally love, and this book changed my life. When I first went raw vegan, the Detox Miracles Source book by Dr. Robert Morris, who was recently on the channel. His video is amazing. I'll link it below. He is amazing. He is an icon. He is a legend. I need say no more. But this book is so good. So if you don't already have it, to the winner out there, you're going to love it. And he is also going to send a personalized autograph copy directly from him as well. So these are a couple of books that I personally bought. So some stuff I personally bought, I spent around $350 Canadian, so 2 something US on stuff as well. So this is one of my favorite books. by Napoleon Hill. So this is Think and Grow Rich. It is just a game changer. And another one, I read this in Costa Rica years ago and it totally changed my life. The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. So these are a couple I bought, and then also Why We Sleep. This is a good one by Matthew Walker. And Matthew, if you're watching, I would love to have you on the channel. So I'm gonna try to get Matthew on. May Wayne Dyer, rest in peace, one of my favorites. He is one of the greatest authors ever. And this book is one of my favorite books called Wishes Fulfilled. So this will be part of the package as well. Also, The Science of Getting Rich. So I bought this one as well. And this is actually the book that inspired Rhonda Byrne to write The Secret. That's why I bought this, because I saw her say that in a podcast. And the book, I love it because look, it's such a short, easy book and just has so many timeless gems, and it will change your life. Next up, and I bought this as well, so you're getting a case of, I believe, 12 of these. I think it's 12, I'll double check, of these jars with the lids. People ask me all the time, where did you get these? I got them from Amazon, so I'm gonna ship a case of these to you as well. These are amazing. I love these, especially when I'm juicing. And I'm going to send not these jars, but these beautiful, colorful lids. You see these in a lot of my Instagram pictures and videos, and I love them, and they just get me more excited about juice and juicing and staying healthy, and they're one of my favorites, so that's why they're in this video. And they are right here. So you get 16 of these. They fit small and large mason jars. So you'll get the large size and the small size. And I hope you love them to the winner. And if you want these, I'll try link everything you see in this video down below. This is my favorite spirulina. This is not sponsored. I put this in my smoothies. I love it. So you guys will be getting some of this as well. And this is my favorite blue spirulina powder. It is so pretty, and it is what I use to make my blue ice cream. And this stuff is my favorite spirulina out of all the spirulinas. And I think it's by Boravella. I'll link them down below. If you know me, you know I love my coconut bowls, so I had to include these. So you will be getting 2 of these coconut bowls. They are so great. And yours will be unopened. I'm just opening these to show you guys. So look at these. They're great for smoothie bowls or making raw ice creams or anything, whether you're raw or not, whether you're vegan or not. And you can enter whether you're vegan or not vegan. I love you all. So I think those are amazing. These are go-tos for me, and I love them. This is another lovely little book that I love. And I bought this years ago for one of my family members, and it is What I Love About You by me. And it has lots of little stories and places inside to fill in the blanks of things you love about somebody you're creating the book for. So hopefully you get this in time for Christmas. I'm not sure when exactly I will do the draw date. I will put it down below once I figure it out. But it's just, whether it's Christmas or not, a great little heartfelt gift for you to just pass on the love and make someone feel amazing and brighten their day. My supplements, I had to reach out to them. I take these every single day. These are by Complement, and these are an all-in-one. So if you are vegan, you will love these. If you win and you're not vegan, you can hopefully gift these to somebody who is vegan. But I personally take these every day, and they have many different things in them that I could be missing, and they help me thrive and feel amazing. My blood work is perfect, and this is my favorite because you don't have to take a bunch of different stuff. It's just all in one. So in this, it's B12, iodine, zinc, selenium, K2, DHA, EPA, magnesium. It's everything. So there's other stuff in it as well, but I can't recommend it enough. I will link it down below as well, and I have a coupon code if you guys want to save money, but these are great. They are donating a thing of supplements. And then, oh my gosh, so I love this guy, Denley. He's behind the Sun Warrior Company. So I take those, and although they do have some EPA, DHA in them, I take this algae-based, that's algae-based too, but I take extra omegas because my brain is so important to me, and these are my favorite. I researched so many, and I take the Sun Warrior algae. So these are included. And then I spoke to Denley. I recently did an interview with him because you guys, he's such good ethics, such an amazing person behind the brand. And that makes me happy. And that's important to me too, especially with everybody I associate with or my favorite things that I'm showing. He did 8 years of no cooked food. Everything was raw. So I am interviewing him, and it may or may not be on the channel right now, but it's definitely coming up. So stay tuned for that and subscribe. Sun Warrior, his company, they are so generous and amazing, which I love as well. I love generous people. It just says a lot about them. So they are gifting to you, one lucky winner, a package worth $157 approximately US. You know what? I'm not sure if you're getting any algae in it. So what an amazing package worth $157. That was so generous. And thank you, Sun Warrior. I love you guys, and I will link their website. I want to say happy holidays to you guys. I can't remember if I said that in the beginning, or Merry Christmas. I don't think I did. I think I was just so excited. Some of the products haven't arrived yet. The Sun Warrior, the Complement. And then also we have a couple of amazing hardcover things that haven't arrived. And the first is by Matt Bennett at Raw Intuition, a close friend of mine, an amazing person. He's been on the channel before, and he has donated a copy of his new book, his 21-day raw transition book, and it is amazing. It is selling so many copies on Amazon, so you guys are gonna take one home, and I'm gonna link it down below. And Matt is just an incredible guy, and he knows so much about the raw living foods, and I love you, Matt, so thanks so much for donating that. Next up, we have a package from Chris Kendall, one of my favorite raw vegans, and he definitely has the best intro out of all the raw vegans. Yeah, baby, I like it raw. He's my favorite. He's so awesome. And he did a great curry recipe on the channel recently, which I will link down below. And Matt did lasagna raw. I'll link it below. Chris Kendall, he is so generous too. And I love everybody involved in this. I want to thank everybody again. Chris Kendall has donated a coaching session to you guys, which is pretty epic and pretty amazing. And he's also sent a book with his recipes. So I think it's his 50 recipes raw book, and it's so amazing. He has some of the best recipes in the game, so you'll get a hardcover copy of that and a coaching session with Chris himself. Another gift that's part of this package, which actually I forgot, so this is putting the package over 2,000 US right now, I just realized, is my friend Helia. She's a law of attraction manifesting specialist. This is what she does for a living. Years ago, she trained under the Bob Proctor program and actually spent $40,000 on the course. She is gonna be on the channel soon to talk about how to manifest your dream life in 2023, because we are all about manifesting and taking our lives to the next level, living a better life. And she has donated a coaching package, 2 half-hour sessions to the winner of this as well. And she is amazing. She's literally one of my best friends. So stay tuned for that podcast too. We're gonna be doing that in person. And I will link her and her stuff down below if you wanna go check out her courses or anything like that as well. I know the value of the coaching for her is over 500 US, so it's pretty incredible. And thanks, Helia. Next up, we have one of my favorite raw vegan power couples. You guys guess who I'm talking about? Write in the comments down below right now. Who do you think is, when you think of raw vegan power couple? There's only a couple of them out there, I think. Well, there's a few actually, sorry. Nate and Lissa, they have donated the Inside Scoop ebook. So this is amazing, Mastering the Art of Small Batch Nice Cream. They are the king and queen of nice cream, and they know so much, and their recipes are the bomb and amazing. All of their books are amazing. And I know so many people love Nate's Dude Food book, and I personally love like the dips and dressings and the 21-day program, and the raw recipe books they have are just, you cannot compare them to anyone. And next up, we have the Raw Vegan Beauty book. This book is so amazing. She sent it to me as part of this bundle, and I skimmed through it and I'm blown away. Misfit Vegan outdid herself again, and thank you so much for contributing. I think you're gorgeous inside and out, and this was such a great contribution. And go follow Misfit Vegan. And I did an interview with her on my channel not too long ago, and it's one of my favorites for sure. So that will be an ebook. Next will be an ebook called The Bevy Book. So this is by Rosie Heals. She's amazing. She had a lot of chronic health problems, and she healed them through a raw living foods diet, and she does a lot of juicing as well. This book you will be getting, it is so beautiful with the blue. Hopefully you see it on the screen right now. It's specialty smoothies, juices, and warm drinks to sip and soothe the healthy vegan soul. And I'm blown away with this book and her as a human being. This is one of my favorites. No one can compare to Daniel McKinnon. Enzyme333, he's on Instagram. Go follow him. His recipes, raw vegan, there's literally no one in the world that can compare. I don't even know how to label him. It's insane. Like the donuts, the corn dogs, the pizza, the nachos, everything raw vegan, it's out of this world. He has donated 3 ebooks. The value of his ebooks are $90. So it was such a generous donation. And he really takes his time and creates his food with love and patience. And I can see, has done so in his ebooks as well. I cannot recommend these enough. They're out of this world. He has donated the Raw Veganize, and he has also donated Raw to the Core. Look at the cover with the donuts and the burger. It is unreal. Hopefully you see it on the screen right now. And then also, he has also donated Infinitely Raw Creations. So go follow Daniel. I will link videos I've done with him below as well. And grab his books. And to the lucky winner, I can't wait for you to get all this stuff. So this is a course from Rosie Heals. Again, she donated the Eat Fruit, Live Slow, Fundamentals of Raw Vegan Healing course. And it is amazing. It's out of this world. And then next, we have a beautiful hardcover book by Christy Harden. And this is I Love Raw, a how-to guide for reconnecting to yourself and the earth through plant-based living. This is such a beautiful book, and I'm so excited for you guys to get a hardcover. She will be coming on the channel soon for an interview as well, so I'm so excited about that. We have one of my favorites, Ava Loves Raw. Shout out to Ava in California. She's amazing. She has donated a couple of ebooks as well, How I Healed with Raw Foods and Other Therapies. And then she has also donated 7-day high raw reset, which is incredible. Everything she does is incredible. I love you, Ava. You're so inspiring. And I love all your videos, especially your video on what aged me the most as a raw vegan. There's just so many popular videos she has, so go check her out. And then next up, we have one of my favorite people again, 𝘋𝑐𝑠. She's so amazing. She's been on the channel before. She had a huge transformation on the raw living foods lifestyle. And she was very sick and she went raw, and it has totally transformed her life. And she is one of my subscribers, but she's also become one of my best friends. So I had to reach out to her because I personally love her ebook, and she has donated the Roar Favorites raw vegan recipes from her kitchen, and it's out of this world. So thank you so much, 𝘋𝑐𝑠. Go follow her, go grab her ebook. Next up, I'm so excited because I'm gonna be having the creator of this book, Crystal, on the channel soon for a recipe, and I'm hoping she does something like on the cover you see right now on the screen beside me. She has donated 1 copy of The Art of Raw Desserts, and this is a brand new book. I actually haven't even seen it yet, but I've been anticipating this book and I can't wait for it to arrive. So it's gonna arrive any day now, and you guys are gonna get a brand new copy of this book. So how amazing does this look? Out of this world. And I'm so excited for that. So Crystal is awesome. And then next up, we have a book, 5 Foods to Regenerate Your Health. And this is by Jennifer Whitmire. She came on the channel before to create raw vegan tacos, and she creates the most amazing plant-based recipes, whether they're raw or vegan. She's not fully raw, but her recipes are out of this world, and her nutritional knowledge is out of this world. So you're getting an e-copy of that as well. So a great mix of ebooks, books, supplements, powders, bowls, autographed books, spirulinas, the Nama juicer, and the manifesting coaching with Chris Kendall, the Sun Warrior package, so many amazing things. And then also, before I forget, last but absolutely not least, my friend Maggie Jade Jackson. She's a juicing coach. She's been on the channel before. She knows so much about juicing, and she's amazing. So she said that she is happy to donate a January pass for Juice Fast Mastery. So that's amazing. That's huge. She is amazing. This will all be yours, guys. Again, I have to retotal everything up, but it's definitely over 2,000 US. So again, to enter, like this video, subscribe, comment down below what you're most excited to get, what you want the most, and why. For bonus points, follow me on Instagram. I will link it down below, _GILLIAN'S, and go follow me anyway, because I love just, my Instagram stories are like my diary. I share like my whole life on there, and I love it. And it's a better way for me to connect with you guys even more. For bonus points, go do that. And then also for extra bonus points, share something about this video or anything from my channel in your story and tag me as well. I will repost it and come back here and let me know in the comments you have done that. And the winner will be picked through a random comment generator. And I'm so excited, you guys, so stay tuned. I will announce the winner in the community section of my channel. Have an amazing day. Have a very Merry Christmas, a very happy holidays. I love you guys, and I'm wishing you guys just the most peaceful, loving holiday season ever, and the best 2023, the best year you've ever had.